And this is, what's your name? Danny? He's going to be 21 years old in July.
And how long have you had him?
I raised him from the day he hatched out of his egg.
Wow. I can't wait to see the act, so good luck.
Thank you. You know, a lot of people get upset with parrots because they all expect them to talk, but they don't expect them to squawk like that. They get mad at you when you squawk. What do they tell you? Shut up. Shut up. He's doing pretty well, but unfortunately, I've actually been a little bit under the weather, so he's learned a new one. Mommy's been sick. Has she been sneezing? Yeah. Smaller voice, but he's very excited. You happy to be here? Are you smart? You are? The smartest bird in the world. Really? Want to prove it? Right now? You sure? Okay. Now, he does like to prove how smart he is by doing animal impressions. Can you do a pigeon? Another pigeon? What does a duck say? What's a dog do? Dogs do. This is the big scary one. Can you do a kitty? One more kitty? Now let's see. If I do the animal impression, if he'll know what it is. Nobody say it. He's got to figure it out himself. Let's see if he knows. Okay, listen, listen. Ready? Okay. I'm a chicken.